Eclipse on Windows, you need to be aware of one important and quirky behavior. Every time you change the main file in a project, and we'll be doing that for just about every movie in this course, Eclipse can get confused and not realize that its file system is out of sync. Let's take a quick look at this behavior. I'm going to go ahead and make a working copy of version test.cpp. So I select it here and I press Control-C, and then I select working and I press Control-V, and that copies and pastes it into the working project. I'm going to double click on it and that opens it up. I'm just going to press this run button up here and that compiles it and it runs it and it runs just fine. Now I'm going to close this and I'm going to delete it from the working file system. I'm going to come up here and grab a different one. Let's grab hello.cpp. I'll press Control-C to copy it and select working and Control-V to paste it and open it up. Now I'm just going to press this run button again, which ought to compile it and run it, right? You notice we have an error. Say no, and I'll hover over this and it says first defined here. That's not very helpful. Look down here and multiple definition of main. So what that means is that there's another object file in our project that already has main defined. And if I look over here in debug, I'm going to open this disclosure triangle here. You see we have two object files, hello.o and version test.o. Well, that's not right, and that won't work. So the solution here is to run something called clean. I'm going to come up here to the project menu, and I'm going to select clean. I'm going to select clean all projects and say OK. And you notice that that deletes the whole debug directory. It also deletes the binaries directory. And now when I press the run button, it compiles and it runs and everything is fine. And we look in the debug folder, we see we have working.exe and we have hello.o, and that's exactly what we're supposed to have. So the problem here is that every time we delete a C file or a CPP file and copy and paste a different one into the working folder, we have this potential conflict. The easy solution is to do a clean whenever you delete a file in the working project. This seems to ensure that you won't see this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to take this hello.cpp and I'm going to delete it. I'm pressing the delete key on my keyboard and OK. And now it's deleted and I'm just going to come right up here to project and select clean. Unfortunately, there's no button for this on the toolbar. Clean all projects is selected. I'm going to press OK and now it's clean. And now we're ready to begin the next movie. This problem doesn't seem to happen in Eclipse on other OSs. It's no use speculating how or why this is a problem on Windows. It's just something that you need to be aware of so that you know what's going on and what to do about it when you see this behavior.